Are you about to spend thousands of dollars renovating your home before selling it? Don't. You might just be throwing money away. I have seen sellers lose tens of thousands of dollars making the wrong upgrades before selling their home. In this video, I'll walk you through what not to fix and what actually adds value when putting your home on the market and getting it sold fast. Let's start with the biggest mistake I see, and that is huge renovations that lead to a low return on investment. Many homeowners believe they have to completely gut a kitchen or a bathroom or even add a new pool to impress buyers. But the truth is, these improvements never bring you your money back. For example, adding a new pool may cost $40,000 to $50,000 when it may only bring 30 to 50% back cost of sale. So what you came for is what should I be doing instead? And here is where your money will go the furthest. Focus on small, high-impact fixes. The goal is fresh, clean, and a move-in ready home. The most obvious and easiest fix is a fresh coat of paint. A fresh coat of neutral paint works wonders. Light grays, whites, and warm beiges can just feel modern and clean. Next is a deep clean, especially windows, baseboards, light switches, even vents and bathrooms. Cleanliness can sell a home. Now we will get into some things that may not be as obvious, but make a huge impact. And that is fixing things that are broken. Loose doorknobs, dripping faucets, cracked tiles, all easy to fix, and they show you've maintained the home. What this will also do for you is not only get you under contract faster, but once you are under contract, buyers are going to want to do their inspection report. And if these items come up, they may hurt you in the long run. They may ask for more closing costs, and you may end up netting less money at the closing table than if you would have just fixed it before putting the home on the market. But you may be asking, what about big ticket items like a furnace or an AC? The truth is, buyers just want working furnaces and working air conditioning units. They do not need brand new ones. Even as small as something as switching out an air filter can go a long way. Again, when buyers go under contract, they're going to do their inspection report, and they want to see that the homeowner took care of the home they're about to purchase. Another pro tip is to provide service records of recent items you have either fixed or handled. That way you can show the buyers it has been done. Now, if you want to talk about cosmetic details that can impress a buyer, here are a few. One of the biggest things is that curb appeal. When buyers drive up to your home, the first thing they see is the outside. So you want to make sure that you're showing them exactly right there that the inside of the home is being well taken care of. Removing old wallpaper as well, and also decluttering. The more space in the home, the less furniture, the bigger it's going to look, and the more they can imagine their own furniture and pictures, etc. in the home. So if you are about to spend thousands of dollars renovating your home before putting it on the market, remember, it is always better to sell smarter than it is to sell flashy. If you have any questions or you're considering putting your home on the market and wondering what could get the best return on investment for your money, reach out. My number is 704-903-3132. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.